little Raul.
Well, this is an unusual but a great. It uses long legs and flat claws to walk and forage on the forage ground skillfully. So right now what Raul is doing is actually rolling over all the rocks in search for the trees that are hidden underneath these rocks. Now have to check all the rocks out. One more over here. This one for you.
Very meticulous indeed.
That's right. Okay, let's give it up for Raul, everyone. Now in the wild, we will be looking for insects and worms. But what if the insects were to take off and fly away? Well, southern crested caracaras, they are able to do vertical flights into the air, just like this.
Sure, is that all?
Yes, it's a vertical flight shot.
You know what? Let me show you how it's done, alright? Okay, so roll, ready? 1, 2, and 3!
Wow!
Great job, Raul. Thank you very much for joining us on today. It is time for you to head back home. Ladies and gentlemen,